In today's video, I'll show you how to import text from a website into a Microsoft Word document. This is a great way to save content, create research notes, or work with online articles offline. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the website that contains the text you want to import. Use your mouse to highlight the desired text. You can select paragraphs, tables, or any part of the web page. Next, right-click the highlighted text and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This will copy the selected content to your clipboard. Now, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Click anywhere in the document where you want the text to appear, then right-click and select Paste, or press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. The copied text will be inserted into your Word document. If you want to keep the original website formatting, use the Paste options that appears after pasting. You can choose from options like Keep Source Formatting, Merge Formatting, or Keep Text Only, depending on your preference. After pasting, you can edit the text, adjust fonts, add headings, or format it to fit your Word document style. This way, you can make the imported content look consistent with your other Word content. And that's it. You've successfully imported website text into a Microsoft Word document. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.